The state of Utah just banned fluoridated water because some white folk don't understand chemistry. Yo, fluoride is an anion or a negative charged ion of the noble gas fluorine, which is found on the periodic table under atomic number 9. No Romo. 13th most abundant element on Earth? Say where? When it escapes from the rocks into the water, it gains an 8th electron and becomes fluoride. An anion that reinforces tooth enamel be remineralization and helps bone density by increasing osteoblast proliferation during bone reformation. Fancy way of saying it recruits bone cells during the skeletal maintenance process. When it's intentionally added to water, at a concentration of approximately 0.7 milligrams per liter. High enough to make it helpful, low enough to make it harmless. Do the math, that's 0.7 grams of fluoride for every 1 million grams of water. Based on a conservative estimate of minimum skeletal risk beginning at greater than 4 milligrams per kilogram per day. If you do the math like Dr. Andrew, you find we have to consume 357 liters of water a day before we're at any risk. I've seen the toilets in the men's room. Y'all ain't drinking nowhere near that much. You would suffer hyponatremia before you even came close to being in danger from fluoride. Not to mention, your body get rid of it so fast you never get a chance to accumulate a significant amount from water alone. Ingested fluoride is absorbed in the GI tract and has a blood half-life of a few hours, ultimately being disposed of by kidneys. Renal clearance rate in humans is approximately 50 milliliters per minute.
As it turns out, fluoride is very, very dangerous. It causes IQ loss.
Wrong.
It causes bone cancer.
Wrong.
It also calcifies the pineal gland of the human brain, which is the part of our brain that actually creates our spiritual feelings.
Boy, are you stupid, Charlie Brown.
The pineal gland secretes melatonin. It's a hormone that regulates circadian rhythm, sleep-wake cycle. Ain't got nothing to do with spirituality. And calcium deposits in the pineal gland naturally. The whole argument is dumber than a bucket of rocks. As is this claim that fluoride is an industrial waste product, it's not. Water fluoridation uses fluorosilicic acid, sodium silicofluoride, and sodium fluoride. Sodium fluoride has an ionic bond that dissociates in water. Fluorosilicic acid is a byproduct of what happens when sulfuric acid is added to phosphate rock containing fluorides and silicates. It creates hydrogen fluoride, which acts on silica, producing silicon tetrafluoride. This reacts with water to form fluorosilicic acid. That's not industrial waste, that's a chemical reaction. Just like the byproduct of fluorine being added to water is oxygen. We finna call oxygen industrial waste now? Fluorosilicic acid goes into water, loses hydrogen atoms, leaving hexafluorosilicate. It further dissociates, releasing all 6 fluoride ions into the water. Easy.
Bruh.
In summary, fluoridated water at approximately 0.7 milligrams per liter equals harmless. And this guy has no education in this field, no expertise, and should not be speaking.
Must be something in the water. To keep the crowd jumping, to make their heart pump with every sip that they take.